It's me, Timmy Flyers Guy, and welcome to the Orange, Black, and Purple Pregame Report. I'm your host, Timmy Flyers Guy. All three teams will be in action tonight. The Philadelphia Flyers, the Lehigh Valley Phantoms, and the Reading Royals. Tonight, the Flyers will face off against the New York Islanders at 7:30. The Lehigh Valley Phantoms will face off with the Springfield Thunderbirds at 7:05, and the Reading Royals have a matchup with the Greenville Swamp Rabbits at 7:05. But first, let's talk about the Flyers. Last night, the Philadelphia Flyers faced off against the New York Rangers for the second time this season. Flyers had a victory back in November over the Rangers on Black Friday. Last night, the Flyers got on the board first, and it was 1-0 in the first period, as Owen Tippett got the first goal for the Philadelphia Flyers. After that, it was all Rangers, as the Rangers gave themselves a 2-1 lead going into the second period. In the third period, the Rangers added another goal, and it was 3-1 Rangers. In the third period, the Rangers added another one, and it was 4-1 Rangers. Flyers, even with all the fight they showed, the Rangers still found ways to put the puck in the back of the net, adding another one, giving them a 5-1 lead on an empty net goal. Then, the Rangers added another one, and it was 6-1. Flyers fall to the New York Rangers 6-1. The Flyers' point streak has officially come to an end, and their 3-game winning streak was snapped last night as they lost to the New York Rangers 6-1. It was a tough loss for the Flyers, but the Flyers, they did everything they could, but just bad luck was not on their side last night. And that goal with Sam Harrison gave up and gave it 6-1. Things like that happen, and I think that Fedotov will get the start tonight. So to give Sam Harrison some time to clear his head and focus on his next start. Tonight, Fedotov will get the start from the Flyers. Tonight, the Flyers will be facing off with the New York Islanders. The last time they played the Islanders, the Flyers prevailed 5-3 at UBS Arena. The Flyers will be looking to go 2-0 against the Islanders this season. Flyers are 1-1 against the Rangers. Flyers will be looking to go 2-0 against the New York Islanders this season. It's going to be a tough task, as the Islanders have started to catch fire. They've started to catch lightning in a bottle. Hopefully tonight, the Flyers will be able to go 2-0 against the Islanders tonight. It's going to be tough, as the Islanders will be looking for some revenge against the Philadelphia Flyers. But the Flyers seem focused. After losing to the Rangers, the Flyers are an angry bunch. So it's going to be a pretty good, entertaining hockey game tonight when the Flyers face off against the Islanders. Meanwhile, the Lehigh Valley Phantoms faced off against the Rochester Americans last weekend. It was a 3-2 loss to Rochester. Helge Grans and Anthony Richard got the 2 goals in the 3-2 loss to the Rochester Americans. Tonight, the Lehigh Valley Phantoms will be facing off against the Springfield Thunderbirds. Hopefully tonight, the Phantoms can put that loss behind them and take care of business as they face off against the Springfield Thunderbirds tonight. Meanwhile, the Reading Royals faced off against the Jacksonville Icemen on Monday, Martin Luther King Day. It was a 1 p.m. start. The Reading Royals were on fire in that game, getting a 5-3 victory over the Jacksonville Icemen. Tyler Gratton had 2 goals in that game. Cam Cook had a goal. Austin Master had a goal. And Ryan Leavold had a goal as well in the 5-3 victory over the Jacksonville Icemen on Monday. Tonight, the Reading Royals will be facing off against the Greenfield Swamp Rabbits. For the first time this season, they have 2 games set with the Swamp Rabbits. Royals will start their first of 3 games on the road. The first 2 will be with the Greenville Swamp Rabbits. I'm Timmy Flyers guy, so get ready for some great hockey action as the Philadelphia Flyers will be taking on the New York Islanders at 7:30 p.m. The Lehigh Valley Phantoms will be facing off with the Springfield Thunderbirds at 7:05, and the Reading Royals will be facing off with the Greenville Swamp Rabbits at 7:05 as well. I'm Tony Flyers Guy, and this has been the Orange, Black, and Purple Pregame Report. Let's go Flyers, let's go Phantoms, and let's go Royals.